Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Minecraft server using Spigot 1.18.2. Now the reason we're going to be using Spigot today is if you don't already know that Spigot actually allows you to download plugins, and that opens up to so many more possibilities in your Minecraft server. Now real quick before we get started, there's a couple things you're going to need to download. The first one's going to be Java. This link will be in the description. Just go ahead and agree and start free download. Now I already have Java downloaded, so I don't need to download this. And the last one's going to be just Spigot. You can go ahead to getbucket.org, or you can go to the link in the description. Go ahead and hit where it says download latest Spigot 1.18.2, and then scroll down here to where it says Spigot 1.18.2.jar. Go ahead and click on that. And so once that's done, you can go ahead and open up the downloads folder. We can close out of this website here. Now we're going to just go to our desktop and go ahead and create a folder. We're going to name this server just for simplicity. And then we're going to just go ahead and get our Spigot jar. Go ahead and cut this and then paste this into our server folder. And so now what we're going to do is go up to here at the top here and just type cmd. And once you've done that, we can go ahead and just say java-jar spigot, and then we go ahead and hit tab to autocomplete. And then we're just going to add one more option. It says --no GUI. And we're going to go ahead and hit enter on this. And then we just want to wait for the server to finish initializing. And then we're going to get a pop-up here that says you need to agree to the EULA. So now what we're going to do is go back to our folder here, open up the EULA.txt, and then you want to go ahead and read this EULA right here. And then right here where it says EULA equals false, just change this to true. You can close out of that, and then we can go ahead and run that command one more time. And so once the server started, you can go ahead and join the server, and I'll be showing you guys how to do that in a minute. First of all, we're going to make this a whole lot easier to start our server. So we can go ahead and close out of our command prompt for right now. Quick, make sure that you go to the View tab, and make sure that you have file name extensions checked. So now we're going to create a new text document. We're going to highlight all this and just delete it. We're going to type start.bat, and then right click on this and hit edit. And now what we can do is java-jar spigot, and then what we're going to do is we're going to copy the name of our jar file, so -1.18.2.jar. --no GUI. So this is the point of the tutorial where you need to have Java installed, otherwise this is not going to work. So when we hit start.bat, you'll notice that it says loading libraries, please wait. Now we don't have to type in that command every single time that we want to start a server. We just have to run the file, and it's going to start up our server. So now I'm going to just go ahead and show you guys how you can join your server, and I'll be right back. So now that we're in Minecraft, just go ahead to the multiplayer tab. Go ahead and hit add server, and you can just name this whatever you want. I'm just going to name this my first Spigot server. And then down here in server address, you just want to type in local host. Go ahead and hit done, and you can go ahead and join the server. And as you can see, we're in our Minecraft server. But let's say you want to have your friends join. Well, to do that, you're going to need to port forward your Minecraft server based on a port, and I'll be having a whole nother tutorial on that pretty soon. But for right now, you have your Minecraft server set up, and you can go ahead and install plugins. So let's go ahead and install our first plugin. So I found a plugin I want to install. It's called the Essentials X. And then what you want to do is go to the download. This one's going to lead us to an offsite. It's just the Essentials website. Right here we can go ahead and download it. Then of course in the downloads, we just want to go over to our desktop, get to our server, and you'll notice there's a folder called plugins. And this is where your plugins are going to be stored. So of course just right click on your Essentials and cut this. Go back to your plugins folder and paste this in here. So back on your Minecraft server, just go ahead and run the command op and then your Minecraft username. Mine's going to be 0x01b. Just hit enter. So now let's go back to Minecraft and try out this new plugin. As you can see, we're now operators, and we can do /game mode. And now we have creative mode. Of course, we can get anything we want. But that's not important, because what's really important is this new plugin. Now to show the plugins that you have installed in your server, just run /plugins. But you'll notice since we installed the plugin, it's not in here. It doesn't say we have any plugins installed. Well, that's because we actually have to reload the server, so to do that, just /reload. And then once it says reload complete, when we type /plugins, you'll notice that we have Essentials installed. If you don't know what Essentials is, it just allows you to do /gmc, /gms, and /fly, and there's so many other commands that you can use. So it's going to go ahead and wrap up today's video. I hope you guys did get something out of it, and I hope you guys do find some awesome plugins and create your own Minecraft server. If you have any questions or problems, just leave a comment down below, and I'll try my best to respond as fast as possible. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.